Good morning, students. Today we will start a new chapter from our grammar book, that is chapter number 17. Uh, the name of the chapter is the determiners. Okay, and determiners are the basic adjectives beta. So we have done this chapter, we have done this term adjectives in our chapter number 10. So this chapter is well known and you are quite familiar with all the terms and all the rules given in this chapter. So because we have discussed all these in our previous chapters, in chapter number 2 and 3 also, and in chapter number 10 also, so now we will just revise these terms. Okay, but if it will remain any kind of doubt or any kind of query beta, then you can clear all by calling me or WhatsApp me or by attending the doubt session. Okay, so let's start the chapter. As I told you, the name of the chapter is the determiners, and the determiners are basically the adjectives beta. Adjectives, a noun that is a word that is related to your noun, that qualifies your noun. Okay, the main difference is that an adjective qualifies a noun, whereas a determiner signals to a noun. Okay, there is a slight difference बेटा, सिर्फ थोड़ा सा ही difference है adjectives और determiners के बीच में. Okay, a shirt, the Gita, some students, any pen, that girl, those boys, a few books. You can see beta, according to the subjects, different type of adjectives has been used. Okay, for example, shirt, a, few books, a, Gita, the, boys, those. You have noticed that there is difference between these words. So this is what the difference between determiners and the adjectives beta. So there is a slight difference between adjective and a determiner beta. I'll try to explain this by using the example given in your book. Brick house, this house. Two examples are given here beta, and you can see in both the words, in both the phrases, actually in both the phrases, the noun is the same, house. दोनों ही sentences में, दोनों ही phrases में actually बेटा house word use किया गया है. So brick house, ईंटों का बना हुआ घर. Brick house shows that the house is made of bricks. So brick works here as an adjective. But this house, brick house आपको बताता है that how, in what way the house is made बेटा. But sorry, this house does not describe the house. This house में आपको कुछ भी नहीं पता चल रहा है कि what type of, what kind of house is. So here it is the determiner beta. It determines the house. This points out a particular house. So the word this is here a determiner. Okay. Determiners limit the meaning of a noun or a noun phrase. That means कि meaning पर depend करता है use of determiners. The determiner, those in the above phrases limit the noun boys. We cannot write those boys. Okay. So here slight difference between noun and adjective, or we can say adjective and determiner has been given beta. Adjective which qualifies the noun, okay, which describe the noun. Determiner which does not describe the noun. So this is the main difference which I want to make you clear. Further now we will discuss the topics which are given in the chapter that counts into determiners. The first one is articles. Articles, you all know beta that three type of basic articles we are having: a, an and the. Okay, a is used with a singular consonant sound words, an is used with a singular vowel vowel sound words, and the is used with special things, special words. Okay, next is demonstrative. Demonstrative means when you show something, when you display something. Okay, and for this we use only 4 words: this, that, these, those. For the close things we use this, and these, and for the far things we use that and those. Okay. There are so many examples given in your book. All are consisting the use of this, that, these and those. This and that used with singular noun subjects, and that, those and these are used with plural subject nouns. Okay. Our next term which is given in the chapter is distributives. Distributive word is taken derived from the word distribute, batna. Okay, and in that term also we have so many adjectives like each, every, either, neither, among, between. Okay, so all these in detail we have discussed in our chapter number 10 beta. Each and every, there is difference given in your book, as you can see at page number 141. Each is used in speaking of two or more persons or things when the number is definite. जब संख्या निश्चित होती है तो आप यूज़ करेंगे each. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल डिस्ट्रीब्यूट दीज मैंगोज टू ईच स्टूडेंट. दैट मीन्स कि वहाँ पर उसकी स्ट्रेंथ जो है वो फिक्स है. और अगर आपकी स्ट्रेंथ फिक्स नहीं है, देयर बेटा यू विल यूज़ एवरी. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट है जैसे ईदर एंड नीदर. ईदर मीन्स वन और द अदर, एनी वन ऑफ द टू पर्सन्स और थिंग्स, कि कोई भी एक, दो में से कोई भी एक. नीदर का रहता है दोनों में से एक भी ना हो. ओके, जब दोनों में से एक की भी चॉइस आपने ना लेनी हो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल्स, नीदर मेडिसिन ऑफ दीज टू सूट्स मी. इन दोनों ही मेडिसिन में से मुझे कोई भी सूट नहीं करी. ओके, so this is the difference between either and neither beta. Each and every, among and between में भी यही रहता है. If you want to distribute the things between only two, then you will use between. Otherwise you will use among. अगर most of subjects हैं, ज़्यादा हैं, तो उनको बीच में अगर कोई चीज़ डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करनी है, you will use among. लेकिन अगर दो ही लोगों के बीच में कोई चीज़ बांटनी है, there you will use between. Our next determiner is interrogative determiners. In interrogatives, you all know beta that all the WH family words are included, like who, when, why, how, where, whose, whom. Okay, so what, which, these words are used here, and they always carry sign of interrogation at the end of the sentence. आई एम रिपीटिंग बेटा, इंटैरोगेटिव्स जो आपके रहेंगे, आपके वो इंटैरोगेटिव रहेंगे और उसमें आपके सारे WH फैमिली वर्ड्स यूज़ होंगे. एज यू कैन सी इन द पिक्चर ऑल्सो बेटा, दैट what task is she doing there, which color do you like, how many boys are there in your class, whose child is here. You can see beta, all the pink words are WH family words. They all are having a question in it, and they all are also carrying sign of interrogation at the end of the sentence. So this is what our interrogatives determiners are. So these are the only terms beta for today. Tomorrow we will discuss the rest of terms which are given in the chapter. I hope you all will revise the chapter and the terms given in your book, and if you want to have the details, then you can open your chapter number 10 also. Otherwise you can knock me. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.